Now next part of matrices is multiplication of matrices. So one condition is there. So when you can multiply the matrices, for that condition is there, number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Okay, suppose A is a matrix and B is a matrix. We have to multiply A and B. A into B you have to do. So A is having order 2 by 3, means 2 rows and 3 columns, and B's order is 3 by 2. Then see this 3 and this 3, it should be same. This number should be same. So we can multiply the matrix and the resulting matrix will be of the order 2 by 2. So this is the condition for multiplication of the matrices. Suppose 3, this 3 and means these two numbers are same, then only we can multiply the matrix. Now one more say matrix A 2 3, order is 2 3, and B's order is 2 2. Then see this 3 and this 2, it's different. So this condition is not satisfied. So we cannot multiply these two matrices. So multiplication does not exist. Now we will start exercise 2.3, which is based on multiplication of matrices. So first sum is evaluate. First sum is these two matrices are given. You have to do multiplication of these two matrices. So always remember, in multiplication of matrices you have to do row into column. Okay, now first we will write and take its order, and then only we can understand this, that we can do the multiplication or no, and then we will start the multiplication. So order of this matrices is 3 rows and 1 column, so 3 by 1, and order of this matrices is 1 row and 3 columns, so 1 by 3. See here 1 and this 1 same. So the resulting matrix will be of the order 3 by 3. So always start with row multiply by column. So that rows, it should be completed. That row should be multiplied by all the columns, and then only we will take the next row. Okay. So see, first we will take this row R1, this row, and these are the 3 columns C1, C2 and C3. So first we will see R1, C1. First we will complete multiplying this row to all the columns. So see how to write. We will write like this in the row wise. So R1, C1, R1, C2, R1, C3. So our first row is completed. Then so with R1 we have multiplied to all the 3 columns. Now we will take second. When our first row is completed, then only we will take the second row. So now for R2, R2, C1, R2, C2, R2, C3. Okay, then after completing the second row we will take the third row R3, R3, C1, R3, C2 and R3, C3. So now do actual multiplication. So now see here 3 into 2, 3 into minus 4, 3 into 3. So our first row is completed. Now take second row 2 into 2, 2 into minus 4, 2 into 3. Then we'll take the third row 1 into 2, 1 into minus 4 and 1 into 3. Multiply. The resulting matrix will be the order of 3 by 3. So always see the order, then you can do the multiplication, and first write down the order of the matrix and then start multiplying, so it will not go wrong. Now see the next one. This one matrix and this one matrix is given. You have to multiply this one. So see you have to multiply these two matrices. Now here see its order is 1 by 3, 1 row and 3 columns. Write and take the order. Now this one is 3 rows are there and 1 column is there, 3 by 1. So here 3 and 3 it is same, so you can multiply the matrix. Multiplication exists. So the order of new matrices will be 1 by 1. See, 1 by 1. So now how to multiply? Say row by column. Here only one row and one column is there. So 2 into 4, 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. So 1, simplify 8, 4 to the 8, minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled, and we get the matrices 8, which is the of order 1 by 1. So always first write and take the order of the resulting matrix and then start doing the multiplication. See next one. Okay. See next one, question number 2. A and B matrices are given. We have to state whether AB is equal to BA. So first we have to do the multiplication AB. So write AB and BA will be different. So first write and take A, then write and take B, and then multiply it. So now here this is the order, this is of order 3 by 3. This is also order 3 by 3. Yes, so here 3 is same. So resulting matrix will be of order 3 by 3. Now what I told, first start with the row, complete this row with all the columns, and then take the second row. So here take first row, row into column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 1, 1. Then same again this row with second column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2. So with second row, so with first row, second column is completed. Then take first row and third column. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4, 1 into 2, 2, and 1 into 1, 1. So with first row, we have completed all the 3 columns multiplication and we have written it in the first row. Now take R2. 2 with, we will take R2 with first column. 2 into 2, 4, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 0 into 1, 0. Now with second column, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 0, 0, and 0 into 2, 0. Now with third, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 2, 6, 0 into 1, 0. So our second row is also completed with all the 3 columns. Now we will take third row. 1 into 2, 2, minus 3 into 3, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2. Now R3 with C3, 1 into 4, 4, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 1 into 1, 1. Now do addition and subtraction. So here 4 minus 2, 2, 1, minus 1, 13, 2, 14, minus 6, 3, minus 1. So here we got the matrices of order 3 by 3. Now we have to do B into A. So first write and take B and then write A. Here first we have written A, then B. Now B we have written here first. In same way we will carry out the multiplication. First with the row we will multiply to all the columns. Say 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 1 into 2, 2, 4 into 1, 4. First column completed. Now second, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 4 into minus 3, minus 12. Now second column completed. So first row, third column, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4. So we have completed first row with all the columns, and we have written in the third, where we have written in the first row. Now with R2 we will start. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 3, 0. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. So our second row is also completed. Now we'll take third row. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. Now second column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Add it, you will get the matrices. 4 minus 7, 6, minus 1, minus 3, 5, 4, 4, 2. Now see the matrices AB and BA. They both are not equal. So our answer is AB is not equal to BA. Now see the fifth sum. Now see the fifth sum. We verify that A into bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Now here A matrix is given, B matrix is given, and C matrix is given. The matrices of order 2 by 2. So first we will solve the bracket. See LHS, B plus C. So B plus C means this and this here to add. So resulting matrix will be minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. And minus 1 minus 3 is minus 3. Now A into B plus C. Now write down the matrices A and B plus C, this matrices. Now see the order. This is the order 2 by 2. This is the of order 2 by 2. So the resulting, these two are same. So the resulting matrix will be order. Resulting matrix will be the of order 2 by 2. So this one is our first row, second row, C1, C2. Now start the multiplication. R1, C1. So 4 3s are 12 and minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 2, minus 3 is plus 6. So first row is over. Now take second row. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 5, 15. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into minus 3 is 9. So our resulting matrix will be 2, 14, 21, minus 5. So here we got LHS. Now we will find RHS. So for RHS we need AB and AC. So we will find first AB. AB, write A matrix, B matrix, and do multiplication as usual. So this is of order 2 by 2. This is of also order 2 by 2. So our resulting matrix will be order 2 by 2. So row into column. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Now take second row. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into minus 2 is 6. So our resulting matrix is minus 10, 8, 7, minus 4. Now AC. Write first A, then write this C matrix here and carry out the multiplication. In same way, 4 into 4 is 16. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Now we'll take second row. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 1 and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So our resulting matrix is 12, 6, 14, minus 1. Now for RHS what we need? AB plus AC. So this is our RHS. Okay, so we need AB plus AC. So this is our RHS, AB plus AC. We are having AB matrix, we are having AC matrix. Write it and take and do the addition. Say 2, 14, 21 minus 5. So our LHS is equal to RHS. Now next one, sixth sum. See the sixth sum, matrix A is given, matrix B is given. Show that AB is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means when we solve the determinant of that matrix, it should not be equal to 0. Then it is a non-singular matrix. So here A and B is given, but what you have to find? We have to find a matrix AB which is not singular. So first we will multiply and take AB, then write it in the determinant form and then find its value. Now see here, matrix A, matrix B. Matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and this is of order 3 by 2. So here 3, this 3 is same. So our resulting matrix will be of order 2 by 2. So we can multiply it. So row into column. So 4 into 1, 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 2 into 1 is 2. Then 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Next, R2 with C1 and C2. Minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 0 into 1 is 0. Then minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 0, 0. And 0 into minus 2 is 0. So our resulting matrix is 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2. Now we have to show that this matrix is non-singular. So first we will write it in the determinant form. Means in this way. Write it in the determinant form. Solve it. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Middle minus 6. 4 3s are 12. That is minus 12. So minus 6 plus 12. So this minus 6 plus 12 is 6. So we got value of determinant is 6, which is not equal to 0. So AB is a non-singular matrix.